Hello, good evening, everyone. So, for today's update, we focus on two key points. First one is on the dashboard. We updated the UI for the camera list and for the detection alerts. I added a new component called camera list and detection alerts for the placeholder of the list of the camera as well as for the detections, and also updated the navigations of CCTV management for the devices, category, and location. And the main focus for today is on the enhancement for the motion detection as well as for the API call. So right now, if we try to run the application, the main.py or our main script, you can see that the motion detection that we have right now is a bit better than what we had before. So one of the main reason for this is I play around with some of the threshold to identify more motion than what we had before. And another thing that we did is that we are now saving the analysis from the visual analysis algorithm to our API. As you can see here, we are creating an event for API saving. This is similar on how we implement it on Pusher, but the only difference is that we are saving it on the API or on the events table, even though we didn't identify any potential threat. So if you take a look at this one, as you can see, we have a total of 31 records based on the testing. If we click on refresh, we have additional data based from what we had run right now. So what it did is that it saves information, and as you can see here, the information that we have is stable enough to describe what is currently happening or what is the summary of the event that is currently happening to the video. Okay, I think this is all for now for this day. Moving forward, I will be updating the script after further testing of what it is saving to have a condition to save only if there's a potential threat that is being identified. Thank you.